Now, strategies for communication are different than the learning strategies, and this is when you're trying to use a new language and you're not that good at it yet, but you're trying to practice. So you have these strategies so that you can kind of jump into conversations and still practice the language, even though you're not fluent yet. So when you don't know the word, you have to just describe it or ask someone, to translate for you, or just use the word from your first language and hope that they might understand it. And so this is kind of like survival skills, and we know that if you want to jump in and practice language, you're going to have to take some chances like this. And some of the strategies for communication, well, you can avoid difficult subjects that you know are going to be hard for you, like talking about soccer or something, where you're not going to know all the terms for passing or shooting or scoring. So, and there's a lot of topics like that you know that you're going to get over your head, so people will avoid it. But otherwise, in normal conversations, you just have to make sounds. Obviously, body language works well, but some of the terms would be like circumlocution, kind of going around the word. So if you don't know the word for corkscrew, you can say, it's that thing that opens wine bottles, or you might use your body language to try to illustrate opening a bottle of wine, and that would be more the body language. So these are all strategies that we used kind of to survive, and just using the language, whatever you have up to that point, and at least it can get you started. And some people, obviously the bilingual dictionaries are used, and now with smartphones and things, people are able to look up words very quickly. And who knows, maybe soon they'll be able to speak into a translator, and that would be a strategy for trying to communicate using, a quick translator on your phone. But, the old school way was just doing your best to, describe what you're trying to say, and hopefully the person that's listening to you can help you and answer your questions. And if someone's good at this, then they have a big advantage at learning the new language, because they're kind of good at using these communication strategies to still hang out with people and meet people without being real advanced in the language yet.